Welcome back guys with a brand new video, and in this video we will discuss about the clocked SR flip-flop. And let me tell you one thing that I am preparing a team to shift to the Mars planet. So if you want to be a part of this team, then please subscribe the channel. And if you not watched my previous video relevant to the SR flip-flop, then you can watch this because the function of clocked SR flip-flop is similar to the SR flip-flop. Only the thing which extra involved is clock. So if you will see the circuits here, we have the SR flip-flop circuitry. Okay, only the extra thing that we added is here. Why we added it here? It's added here to add the clock. We can directly add the clock. If we will add clock directly here, then we have no option to input the data. Okay, if we make this high, then you can see in the similar case that when our input was high, then it becomes high. So when we make this low, it's reset the circuits again. It's a state circuits or state input, or this one is a reset input. Basically this is the working principle of clocked SR flip-flop, and this is clock is always working. So in the case we require the inputs at the H or Q, then we will input this value, and otherwise we will hide this value. By this methods you can easily understand the working principle of the SR clocked SR flip-flop. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and share the video if you like. Thank you so much.